Welcome back to my regular YouTube channel. The National Weather Service announced that the winter storm watch for Erie, Crawford, and a few other counties has been canceled to do a winter weather to changing over to the winter weather advisory till tomorrow at 7. And so again, that the winter storm watch in effect for winter storm watch for Erie and Crawford counties, plus the other counties they showed on Fox 66 yesterday, has been canceled. So, but the winter weather advisory is still in effect, though, for Erie and Crawford counties till 7 o'clock tomorrow. So, yeah. So, because originally they said winter weather advisory had been canceled, changing over to a winter storm watch. And then originally they say winter storm watch has been canceled, or I should say, in effect till 7 o'clock tomorrow. Instead, they said had they changed their instead they've been canceled it, so that's good for that. But the winter weather advisory is staying in effect until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And and I did on the last video that I said on the last video about today's weather. It says supposed to have 1 to 3 inches during the daylight hours today, and then 3 to 5 inches tonight. And and possibly more of that accumulation stuff and stuff heading into some. So like I said, the snow, supposed to have all day snow and all night snow today and tonight because of the weather. And then we just got at least about 1 or 2 inches on the ground. They did expect like 1 to 2 inches yesterday. I'll do so interesting. Let's see on the weather. I was hoping that the Titusville Herald says about the weather. So we'll find out if they changed it or not. But I knew that Erie Times News will gotta change it now. Should be changed by now. I think they changed that National Weather Service like early today or late last night, one of the two. That's why. So, all right, we're gonna get off, and they're just telling you that the winter storm watch for Erie and Crawford counties has been canceled, changing it to a winter weather advisory in effect for northern and southern Erie as well as Crawford counties until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Again, it's supposed to have 1 to 3 inches in the daylight hours and then 3 to 5 at night, according to weather. So school delays and cancellations can be in order by tomorrow. That's why. So again, the schools might close at least tomorrow, but that's it. We like I said, I've been I've been doing a lot of schools for a while, and I didn't know. I when I've been going in schools, I know I put on the news every day and on the TV so we know what the weather's gonna be. That's why. So, all right, we're gonna get off and be safe here. Be safe on the roads all today, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel, and we'll be back on soon.